Hello, I'm Dana with Buffington Beauty. Today we are going to be doing a beginner-friendly set of nails. I'm so happy you could join us today. Let's go do our nails together. We will need press-on nails, and if you consider yourself a beginner, feel free to grab 2 boxes in case you need extra. The style I am doing today is the petite length, and it is in the color red. The false nails fits over my natural nails. You can describe this set as being a modest, natural length type of nail, and it is in a beautiful, classic red color. At the tip of the nail, you will find the sizing. We will need glue. The box includes a small bottle of glue, but as a preference, I like to use a different bottle of glue. Also included in the box are the adhesive tabs, mini filer, and a manicure stick. This is optional. A cuticle remover. The wooden tool is also called an orange wood cuticle stick. A mini size of this comes with the box. You can use that one. We will need a few alcohol wipes. You can use prep pads or lint-free nail wipes dipped in rubbing alcohol, or paper towels dipped in rubbing alcohol. Any of these will do. We will need an emery board. We are going to be using the fine side, which is the beige color side of the board. Alright, let's get to this. First, you want to make sure your nails are trimmed. Now we are going to start by pushing back our cuticles. Please read the direction and warning labels on the back of the bottle before use. You don't want to leave the instant cuticle remover on your nails too long. You can do one nail at a time, or if you've been maintaining your cuticles regularly, you can apply the remover on all of them at once, as I am showing you here. Using the fine side, we are going to be buffing the nails. This will help the glue stick better because we are removing a lot of the shine and slickness from our natural nails. Be careful when you get near your skin. You don't want to accidentally give yourself a paper cut with the nail filer. This is how I do my right hand, in case you were curious on how to do your dominant hand. I know it looks a little bit strange, but I am right-handed, so it feels more natural for me to move my right hand while my left hand holds the filer in place. Wipe away the dust with rubbing alcohol. You can use prep pads, the lint-free nail wipes dipped in rubbing alcohol, or use paper towels dipped in rubbing alcohol. We are getting ready to glue on the nails. The pink tube came with the press-on nails. In terms of quality, I would recommend the pink one because my nails lasted longer than a week when I glued those nails with the pink tube. The reason why I was using the white bottle instead was because the pink one was leaving too much of a white residue for me to continue filming. Give your nails a final wipe. Also wipe the back of the press-on nails, not the top part, just the back part, where we're going to be applying the glue. I am applying the glue on the entire nail because these nails are quite short. So if you're using longer nails, only apply the glue on the top where it will come in contact with your natural nails. We will apply the false nails on our pinkies and work towards our thumbs. This is a good technique to practice when it comes to applying nails on yourself. The thumb and index fingers are doing a lot of the work, which is why we want to apply those nails last. Press and hold the nails for about 15 to 30 seconds. After the glue is dry, you can remove the tabs. If for whatever reason you need to redo or reattach a nail, what you want to do is buff off the dried glue, alcohol wipe the nail, then reapply the nail. The glue that came with the nail set was leaving too much of a white residue, so I am using the other bottle. If you're noticing too much of a white residue while using the pink tube, don't feel discouraged. After you wash your hands a few times, the white residue does come off, or after you take a shower. Press and hold the nails for about 15 to 30 seconds. After the glue is dry, you can remove the tabs. Keep in mind that these are temporary nails. There's a trade-off. Some people like press-on nails because they can easily be removed with minimal damage caused to the natural nail. However, this also means they're easier to fall off than, say, acrylic nails. Not all nail beds are created equal. After you've been doing your nails for a while, you're going to know which nails need extra attention. For example, the nail bed for my middle finger and index finger are much flatter than my other fingers. The false nails are curved, which means I have to distort the false nails a little more for it to work on my middle and index finger. We're gonna glue on the final nails. I wanted to give the pink tube another chance, but you could kind of see the white residue happening, so I'm gonna go back to the other bottle and finish up. Well, I had so much fun doing these nails with you. You should be proud of yourself. They turned out so pretty. I love them. I'm Deanna, and on behalf of Buffington Beauty, we would like to say thanks for watching. For more great videos, please subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you soon.